Attention all Lincoln seekers. If you're on the lookout for a stellar student stays in the city, your search ends here. Welcome to Gravity, the ultimate student accommodation that will make you feel right at home. Choose from a range of studios that are the comfiest and most modern apartments, each designed to cater to your needs. With ensuite bathrooms, individual kitchens, and cozy bedrooms with smart TVs, you can create a space that truly reflects your style. But that's just the beginning. Discover a fully equipped gym to kickstart your day, followed by a productive study session in the study room. Feeling exhausted? Pamper yourself in the sauna and steam room after a long day, or head outside to unwind in the large private garden. And when the weekend rolls around, get your popcorn ready for the latest movies in the cinema room. With the University of Lincoln only a 10-minute walk away, and Bishop Grosseteste University a quick bus ride away, you will never have to worry about missing classes and attendance anymore. Plus, with Lincoln's vibrant city center just seconds away, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Book your stay today at amberstudent.com and embark on an unforgettable journey.